Have you ever stopped to think about where the materials inside your smartphone, your laptop, or even your electric car actually come from? Every device we use, every vehicle we drive is built from metals and minerals that start their journey deep underground. These essential materials are extracted from the earth by colossal machines, working day and night in vast open-pit mines that stretch as far as the eye can see. For decades, mining has been one of the world's dirtiest industries. Giant trucks powered by diesel engines have rumbled through mines, spewing thick clouds of exhaust and leaving behind a trail of pollution and noise. But now, a revolution is underway. BHP, one of the world's largest and most influential mining companies, is joining forces with battery powerhouses CATL and BYD to electrify the entire mining process. Picture those enormous trucks, each the size of a small house, gliding almost silently through the mine, powered not by fossil fuels but by cutting-edge electric batteries. The air is cleaner, the noise is gone, and the future feels closer than ever. This partnership is a true game changer. BHP brings decades of mining expertise, CATL delivers world-leading battery technology, and BYD contributes its deep knowledge of electric vehicles and large-scale electrification. Together, they're setting a bold new standard, one that could inspire the entire mining industry to follow suit, making mining operations cleaner, quieter, and dramatically more sustainable for the planet. The metals BHP extracts, like copper and nickel, are absolutely vital for building the batteries and motors that power electric cars, renewable energy storage, and the next generation of clean technology. By making the mining process itself greener, we're not just cleaning up one industry. We're creating a cleaner, more responsible supply chain for the entire clean energy transition. This is innovation in action. It's a practical, real-world solution to one of our biggest environmental challenges, showing how technology and collaboration can drive real change. It's a story of hope and progress, proving that even the toughest, most traditional industries can transform for the better when people work together toward a common goal. When bold ideas meet smart partnerships, we take a giant step closer to a world powered by clean, renewable energy, and a future where industry and the environment can thrive side by side. The future of mining and the future of our planet just got a whole lot brighter, and it's only the beginning of what's possible. To see why this matters, let's talk about BHP, a global mining titan and one of the world's most influential resource companies. With operations on nearly every continent, BHP's reach stretches from the deserts of Australia to the mountains of South America and beyond. BHP digs up the raw materials that build our world: iron for skyscrapers, copper for wiring, and nickel for batteries and electronics. But all that mining comes with a massive environmental footprint, especially from the diesel-powered machines that keep these operations running day and night. These giant trucks burn huge amounts of fuel, making mining a major source of greenhouse gas emissions, contributing significantly to climate change. BHP has set ambitious climate goals to cut its operational emissions by 30% by 2030 and to reach net zero emissions by 2050. A bold target for such a massive industry player. But electrifying a mine isn't as simple as plugging in a truck. These machines are enormous, weighing hundreds of tons, and they need serious power, often in some of the most remote locations on Earth, far from any power grid. The challenge is to find batteries tough enough to survive the harsh conditions and powerful enough to keep mining equipment running 24/7 without constant downtime. And those batteries need to charge fast or be swapped out quickly to keep operations moving at the relentless pace the industry demands. BHP realized it couldn't do this alone, so it partnered with CATL and BYD, two global leaders in batteries and electric vehicles, known for pushing the boundaries of technology. Together, they're not just swapping engines, they're reimagining what mining can look like, transforming dirty diesel fleets into clean electric powerhouses. This is BHP taking real action, not just making promises or talking about change, but actually investing in new technology and new ways of working. By tackling its biggest emission source head-on, BHP is showing what real climate leadership looks like, setting an example for the entire industry. The mining industry is about to change, big time, and BHP is leading the charge into a cleaner, greener future. Who are BHP's partners in this electric revolution? CATL is the world's largest maker of lithium-ion batteries, powering everything from smartphones to electric cars. Their specialty? Batteries that charge fast, last long, and survive extreme conditions. Perfect for mining. CATL will design the heavy-duty battery packs for BHP's massive trucks. BYD, meanwhile, started as a battery company and is now a global leader in electric vehicles, cars, buses, trucks, and more. They know how to build tough, reliable electric vehicles for real-world use. BYD will help develop and test the electric mining trucks, ensuring they're ready for the harshest environments. This isn't just about swapping engines, it's about building a new kind of mining truck from the ground up. CATL and BYD bring the battery and vehicle expertise BHP needs to make electric mining a reality. Together, they form a dream team for sustainable industry. So what's the plan? What exactly have these industry giants agreed to do, and why does it matter? BHP, CATL, and BYD have come together to sign groundbreaking agreements to trial fully electric haul trucks at BHP's mines, some of the largest and most challenging mining sites in the world. These aren't just early-stage prototypes. Instead, they'll be put to the test in real, demanding mining conditions, where they'll gather crucial performance and safety data over time. One of the standout innovations is the use of modular swappable battery systems, technology designed to keep trucks running longer and more efficiently. Imagine giant battery packs made up of smaller, easily replaceable blocks. This design means batteries can be swapped out quickly, minimizing downtime and keeping operations moving. Maintenance becomes simpler, and trucks can be tailored with just the right amount of power for each specific job, boosting both flexibility and productivity. The agreement also takes on the challenge of battery recycling, developing new ways to recover and reuse valuable materials from old batteries, turning waste into resources for the next generation of equipment. This circular economy approach means fewer raw materials need to be mined, reducing environmental impact and supporting a more sustainable industry overall. Knowledge sharing is at the heart of the agreement. BHP brings decades of mining expertise and operational know-how to the table, while CATL and BYD contribute their world-leading battery technology and electric vehicle experience. Together, these teams will test, analyze, and refine their solutions directly on site, learning and adapting as they go. The ultimate goal? To create practical, safe, and highly effective electric mining equipment that can handle the toughest real-world conditions. This isn't just a handshake or a press release, it's a detailed roadmap for transforming the way mining is done, from the ground up. If these trials succeed, they could set a powerful new standard for the entire mining industry, inspiring others to follow. Ultimately, this collaboration is about more than just technology. It's about building a cleaner, more sustainable future for mining and for the planet. The mining world is watching closely, eager to see what comes next. How do you keep giant electric trucks running 24/7? Enter flash charging. Instead of long charging breaks, trucks get rapid bursts of power while being loaded or unloaded. Powerful charging stations at key points in the mine top up the batteries in minutes, not hours. CATL is developing special batteries that can handle these ultra-fast charges safely and reliably. The infrastructure is a huge engineering feat, delivering megawatts of power in tough, dusty conditions. This system keeps trucks moving, eliminates downtime, and could even boost productivity. No more waiting in line at a charging depot. Charging is built right into the workflow. If BHP's trials succeed, flash charging could become the new standard for electric mining worldwide. It's a breakthrough that could make clean, efficient mining a reality. The impact of this partnership goes far beyond BHP's mines. Electrifying haul trucks slashes BHP's biggest source of emissions, helping hit their climate targets. But the real power is in the example it sets. If BHP can do it, so can the rest of the global mining industry. Thousands of mines worldwide face the same challenge. This partnership creates a blueprint for them to follow. As the technology matures, costs will drop, making electric mining accessible to more companies. The ripple effect? A global shift away from diesel, and a dramatic cut in mining's carbon footprint. The innovations, heavy-duty batteries, fast charging, could spread to other industries like construction and shipping. Lessons learned in mining could accelerate the green transition everywhere. This isn't just about BHP, it's about unlocking clean tech for the world. When one industry leads, others follow. The planet wins. Mining has always been about digging and moving earth, but now, the blueprint is changing. Electric mines will be quieter, cleaner, and safer for workers, with less noise, vibration, and pollution. Better air quality benefits both employees and nearby communities. Electrification also means lower operating costs. Electricity is cheaper and more stable than diesel, and electric motors need less maintenance. Over time, these savings add up, making electric mining the smart economic choice. An all-electric mine is also a digital mine, ready for automation and real-time optimization. This isn't just the end of diesel, it's the start of a smarter, cleaner era for mining. The future of mining is electric, connected, and sustainable. BHP's move is part of a global race to develop sustainable technologies. Companies now compete on their green credentials, not just price or quality. This partnership puts BHP, CATL, and BYD at the front of the pack. For BHP, it's proof of real leadership. For CATL and BYD, it's a chance to showcase their tech in the toughest conditions. Their success could open new markets and inspire governments to support clean industry. When industry leads, policy often follows, creating a positive feedback loop for progress. Every innovation and every ton of carbon avoided is a win for the planet. The world's biggest challenges are also our greatest opportunities. As of July 2025, this partnership marks a turning point for mining and clean energy. The trials ahead will shape the future, proving what's possible and paving the way for global adoption. Soon we'll see electric haul trucks and flash charging in action with more equipment to follow. The goal, a fully electric, zero-emission mine. This story matters to everyone. It's proof that big challenges can be solved with creativity and collaboration. The materials for our clean energy future can be sourced responsibly. Next time you use your phone or see an electric car, remember, the future is being built today. Science, innovation, and shared responsibility are powering a greener tomorrow. The world is changing for the better, one electric truck at a time.